If you want to build more muscle, bang out more reps, push more weight, and say goodbye to fatigue, check out BIONIC from Primal Muscle. BIONIC is our most powerful pre-workout energy drink, scientifically formulated to deliver sustained energy, power, endurance, and pumps for the entire duration of your workout. It mixes easy and it tastes awesome. In fact, we challenge you to find a better, stronger, cleaner pre-workout drink out there. BIONIC wipes out the competition and backs up awesome results with a 100% no-hassle money-back guarantee. I can't tell you how many people have reported immediate increases in strength and power, laser-sharp focus, and sleeve-splitting pumps. Everyone who tries this stuff loves it. But what makes BIONIC different than all the other pre-workout drinks out there? Well, for starters, there are a ton of BS products on the market. Most of the time they are loaded with low-quality ingredients, and they just try to mask this by adding more caffeine. We got sick of this trend and decided to spend over a year engineering the highest quality pre-workout ever made. Look, it's really easy to just throw a ton of caffeine in some fruit punch and call it a day. But to us, a pre-workout should not be glorified meth, but it should actually boost performance in the gym. Crazy, huh? That means it should give you more strength, power, and endurance to grind out harder workouts and ultimately build muscle and burn fat faster than ever. So every ingredient in BIONIC was chosen with a purpose in mind and dosed at the proper amount. That means from your very first scoop of BIONIC, you'll experience endless energy, laser-sharp focus, skin-tearing pumps, increased strength, and ceaseless endurance. Not to mention, BIONIC actually tastes pretty damn good too. Don't believe us? We dare you to look for a cleaner, more potent formula on the market. Hell, we'll even back up our promise that BIONIC is the most badass pre-workout out there with a 100% zero-hassle money-back guarantee. Why? Because you shouldn't have to pay for something that doesn't work. So do yourself a favor and pick up some BIONIC today and start building more muscle and burning more fat tomorrow.